Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, and welcome to Perspective Plans, where I help you plan for what's to come. In today's video, we're going to be doing a expense tracking for a week in April in my Every Penny Counts Dated Budget Planner. And of course, this planner is available at Perspective Plans as well as Amazon in print form. So of course, check it out, support this small business, and use our code PLAN20 for 20% off. That is our forever code. It never expires, but yeah. So let's go ahead and review our Perspective budget, shall we? Let's go ahead. Oh, there's my, thank goodness for bookmarks. And this bookmark's from Erin Condren. I think they're still available, but if they are, I'll link them down below. So of course, let's read our quote in so we can go ahead and get started. The art is not in making money, but in keeping it. Proverb. Loving that. All right. So of course, it's my birthday week. It's also the anniversary of Perspective Plans, as you can clearly see here. And yeah, so we have World Stationery Day, but of course, the entire week we'll be having our anniversary sale throughout. It's my birthday and it's the birthday of Perspective Plans. So yeah, subscribe, support, and shop. So yeah, thanks in advance. So of course, since it's my birthday, I had to do some shopping as well. And yeah, my birthday's on the 21st. I bought a Louis Vuitton. And I might do a, an unboxing for this item when it arrives, but stay tuned. And this is definitely a want. It's a black leather desk agenda. And I like using them because they're just really fancy and nice. Yeah. And that was $723.92. Very pricey, but I'm going to have it forever. And of course, I bought some Chick-fil-A because it's my birthday. I don't know why I can't spell Chick-fil-A right now. There it is. April 21st. And I bought Chick-fil-A for me and my mom and my brother. And I spent $58 for all of us to eat. But, you know, Chick-fil-A's always been more pricey. It's not, they still don't have a dollar menu. And as we all know, they likely won't ever have a dollar menu. But that's just the economy we live in, so. And I allowed it because it's my birthday. So, you know. So I bought some stuff from Nintendo. I wanted these, I wanted some new Joy-Cons. I'm just gonna write want food for Chick-fil-A. And from Nintendo, I just wanted a few games that came out last year, but I just wasn't in the mood to pay for them. So it's definitely, I bought, what is it? Super Mario Wonder. A lot of people were talking about so much about the game, and it actually looks quite fun. So I bought that as well as some Joy-Cons, and I think I spent $174 and yeah, $174.91. And then, oh no. Okay, so I didn't have anything on the 22nd. So let's add a buffer sticker in between. So yeah, that's everything I bought on my birthday. But of course I did some other spending throughout the week, which you'll see as we go along. Because, well, it's my birthday week. I get to treat myself. I didn't do too much damage last month because I knew I was gonna definitely enjoy my birthday this month and open the wallet a bit. Which you can clearly see in our expenses. So we're gonna add our buffer sticker here. There we go. And nothing for the 22nd, but definitely something for the 23rd. And I went to Sephora And of course I was there to get like my birthday freebie, but something caught my eye and I wanted a fragrance. It was a fragrance of, it was, I think it's like Burberry, London Dream. So it's like one of their her fragrances, but it smells so divine. Of course the regular her is like more sweeter, but this one's more elegant. It's still sweet, but it has more of an elegant and very, I don't know, it feels less childish, more grown up and more sophisticated. That's the word I want to use. It's very sophisticated and I loved it. And I was like, it's my birthday, I'm gonna get me a fragrance. And I did. And I love it. So let's grab another buffer sticker. Because that's all I did for the 23rd. And then on the 24th, so on the 24th, we had our visible phone, which is my phone plan. And that's the phone plan I use. We'll likely have that ad playing on this video, but it's just a phone service I use. It's crazy affordable. You get unlimited talk, text, data, and of course hotspot, which allows me to share the data from my phone to my other devices, especially when I'm on the go or if I'm at someone's house and they don't want me on their Wi-Fi. Because some people are weird. They always think if you're on their Wi-Fi, you're gonna hack them. Girl, I don't care. I just want to watch a YouTube video. You know, I'm one of those people. Like, are you serious? I'm going to hack you? No. 9 times out of 10, I just want to watch something on YouTube. And if you're watching this video, thank you. And subscribe. I'd love to have you around the channel. And then I went to the spa because I wanted to get a facial to delete the last year from my face. Essentially, you know, scrub away my past. And that was just self-care and agelessness. Yeah, ageless. There we go. And how much was that? Yeah, it was like $1.42 and 31 cents. And it was like one of the most expensive facials. But I was like, you know, I've never had it. It was like hydro. Of course, I had to get some hyperpigmentation taken care of, which I typically do because my skin loves to scar. And that's where most of the price went to. My scar removal and like scar treatments and stuff, which aren't very glamorous, but it's definitely, you know, it's very necessary when I get a service done. Because I don't just want berries and fruit on my face. Like, I want you to do something, please. And I want results. You know? Like, I don't want to just get a facial for moisturizing. I want a facial for multiple benefits, if that makes sense. So I'm one of those people. All right, so of course on the 25th we had HBO Max, as we usually do. Hopefully that price doesn't change, because it's right now it's still $15.99, and I hope it stays right there. It does not move. And that's just a want for subscriptions. And yeah, I think that's all I spent on, yeah, that's all I spent on the 25th. Alrighty. And I believe, oh, that's right, I get paid. I did get paid, okay. Savings. So every time I get paid, I have like an automatic savings that removes money from my check. And I believe that it's $2.50 every 2 weeks, which isn't terrible. And it's not crazy to where I notice it, so. But yeah, and it's a need, and it's for my future, so yeah. And that's all I did for the 26th because, well, that's all that really needed to happen. Most of my main purchases happened at the very beginning on my birthday on Sunday. And I was in the treat myself spirit. But of course we had to end our week with a bang, which you'll see in a second. So, Nordstrom, and then lastly, Loft. And then we're gonna do our total for our birthday week. I don't think we've ever gotten this far down. So, as you can clearly see, when it's a birthday week, I'm going to spend. I'm gonna swipe that card. And I just wanted to get some clothing, and you'll likely see that for upcoming videos that I'll wear. And then I bought from Nordstrom, I bought a candle in the Perfume de Marly scent. And I've really been liking it. I love a good fragrance, as you can tell, which is why I bought a fragrance from Sephora earlier in the week. And then of course we ended it with another fragrance. So can you tell I like smells? Well, smells that smell great, if that makes sense. And then I spent $165 at Loft. My pen is acting funny. It's like, well, this is a fountain pen, so it's causing a bit of mess. And that's it. So let's grab a box to do our totals. Oh wait, we needed to add our icons. So let's do that as well. And we'll use these two buffers for next month. Okay.
Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come.
We'll use this umbrella for savings. Visible. Do we have our phone? Here we go. Let's grab one of these cell phones here. Oh, it's not sticky. I don't have any glue. Well, that sucks. So you gotta use your stickers. Okay. I think this one's sticky. And I'm not seeing anything else. Oh, let's use all these shopping bags if we can. Shopping. Shopping again. And we can do fries. I think we had a French fry sticker. Yeah, there's like from when we did pizza way long ago. Let's see. Yeah. French fries. There we go. And then Sephora. I don't think we have like a baby makeup sticker, but that's okay. Make sure I don't forget anything.
If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come.
Sephora. Alright, we have spa. I'm trying to find one of those like TV icons. Here they are. And let's move this one over because it's gonna bother me. There we go. I couldn't find a sticker for spa, but that's okay. So now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and grab our boxes so we can do our total. Read positivity. All right, so let's do our total. If I can find my phone under all these sticker books. I'm scared for this total because I did do some damage for a birthday. Oh dear. All right, let's get it started. Alrighty, that is a crazy amount. So next month we won't be doing any fun shopping because our birthday was quite expensive. But yeah, that's that. Thank you. Thank you so much for planning with me today, and remember to keep planning for what's to come, and I will see you in the next one. Check out my main channel where I post productivity videos every single week, and of course over here we have new videos every week as well. Like, comment, subscribe, and all of that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to keep planning for what's to come. Bye y'all, and happy birthday to me. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.